Everyone thinks the best-selling GPS trackers for cars are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Landair C54 GPS Tracker. First up is the Landair C54 GPS Tracker, priced at just $14.95. What caught my eye is its compact design and impressive battery life of 30 days. If you want reliable real-time tracking without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This tracker connects via 4G LTE, which means you can track your vehicle globally without any hassle. The motion-activated feature means it conserves battery when not in use, a game changer if you're worried about battery drain. Plus, with alerts and geofencing, you get notified if your car moves outside a designated area. With over 29,400 reviews and a solid 4.1-star rating, it's clear this tracker has a lot of fans. Now, some people complained about the subscription fee starting at $9.95 per month. Here's the thing though, considering the features and peace of mind it provides, that cost feels reasonable if you want to protect your assets. If you're just looking for a simple, no-frills tracker, this might not be your top pick. This is perfect for you if you need budget-friendly, reliable tracking for your car. Skip this one if you want features like advanced geofencing or longer battery life. Overall, it offers solid value for the money. Now, if the subscription fee bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Landair C Overdrive GPS Tracker. Next is the Landair C Overdrive GPS Tracker, which comes in at $49.95. I was really impressed by its extended battery life of up to 21 days, making it ideal for longer trips. If you want something that can keep up with your adventures, this is worth a serious look. This tracker shines with its real-time tracking capabilities. You'll get location updates as often as every 3 seconds and access to historical data for up to a year. It's designed for both personal and commercial use, meaning you could use it for your car, trailer, or even construction equipment. The international tracking feature works in over 155 countries, which is great if you travel a lot. With a 4.1-star rating from nearly 30,000 reviews, it speaks volumes about reliability. Here's why this matters for you. Fast updates and ample tracking history make it easier to manage your assets efficiently. However, some users reported connectivity issues in remote areas. Now I get it, if you're often in isolated spots, that could be a deal breaker. But for most users, the reliable tracking and support far outweigh this potential drawback. This is perfect for you if you need robust tracking for various vehicles or assets. Skip this one if you need constant connectivity in remote locations. The value is solid for the features you're getting. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking affordability. Product number 3, Optimus Wired GPS Tracker. Now let's talk about the Optimus Wired GPS Tracker, priced at $19.95. What stood out to me is its hardwired installation directly to your vehicle's battery, which can be a big plus for those who prefer a permanent solution. If you're looking for an affordable option that offers solid performance, this is worth a serious look. This tracker provides real-time tracking updates every 30 seconds, and you can upgrade that to every 10 seconds for even more precision. It also sends you instant alerts for movement, speeding, and if your vehicle enters or exits a designated area. With a 4.5-star rating from 2,000 reviews, it shows that people appreciate its straightforward functionality. Here's why this matters. Having a hardwired tracker means you don't have to worry about battery life, which can be a pain if you forget to recharge. That said, some users found the hardwired installation challenging. I'll be real with you, if you're not handy with tools, this may not be for you. But for those willing to put in the effort, it's a set-and-forget solution that offers peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, hands-off tracking solution. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with wiring installation. The price is excellent for what you're getting. Now, if you want something that offers even longer battery life, the next product on my list is a strong contender. Product number 4, Tracky Pro GPS Tracker. The next one is the Tracky Pro GPS Tracker at $19.99. I was genuinely surprised by its long battery life of up to 80 days on a single charge, which is impressive for those who don't want to fuss with frequent recharging. If you need a flexible tracker that lasts, this is definitely worth a serious look. This tracker supports global coverage and provides real-time updates via a built-in SIM card. The 10,000 mAh battery is a standout feature, allowing you to track various vehicles, from cars to trailers. Plus, it offers customizable alerts for speed, movement, and geofencing. With a rating of 4.3 stars from 3,700 reviews, it's clear that many users are satisfied. Here's why this matters. Having such a long battery life means you can trust it to perform over extended periods without worrying about it dying on you. However, some users mention that the app can be buggy at times. Look, if you rely heavily on seamless app functionality, that could be frustrating. But for most, the battery life and flexibility make it a worthwhile investment, especially if you can overlook minor app issues. This is perfect for you if you value long battery life and global tracking. Skip this one if app performance is a top priority for you. The value here is strong given the features offered. Now, if you want a top-of-the-line option that's built for durability, keep watching for the last product. Product number 5, Cube Pro GPS Tracker. Last but not least, we have the Cube Pro GPS Tracker, priced at $74.95. I was really impressed by its 1-year battery life and waterproof design, making it ideal for tracking in any weather. If durability and longevity are what you're after, this one's worth a serious look. This tracker offers real-time tracking via a user-friendly app and supports notifications for movement and geofencing. Plus, it has a hidden magnetic attachment, which means you can discreetly place it anywhere in your vehicle without drawing attention. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 374 reviews, it's clear many people appreciate its reliability. Here's why this matters. Knowing your tracker can withstand the elements means you can trust it in various conditions, which is crucial for anyone concerned about theft or loss. On the downside, the price is higher than some other options. Now, I get that if you're on a tight budget, this might seem steep, but for the features and peace of mind it offers, it could be a smart investment for long-term use. This is perfect for you if you need a durable tracker that can handle tough environments. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. The value is great considering its features and performance. To wrap it up, we covered 5 solid GPS trackers today. The Landair C54 is great for budget-conscious users, while the Overdrive model offers more features for personal and commercial use. The Optimus Wired is perfect for those who want a permanent installation, and the Tracky Pro excels in battery life. Finally, the Cube Pro stands out for its durability and long-term use. Choose the one that fits your needs best.